Zinc-Air batteries are a type of metal-air batteries. Zinc-Air batteries produce electrochemical energy by using oxygen straight from the air. Oxygen becomes the cathode reactant and is diffused directly into the battery. Zinc is used as an anode active material. Also, a non-toxic and non-flammable aqueous potassium hydroxide solution is used as electrolyte. The most important advantage of zinc air batteries is cost. The materials come cheaper than other batteries as the raw materials for zinc air electrodes don't require advanced mining of rare earth metals. Zinc air batteries are safer as they have chemically inert components and the structure of the battery minimize fire risk. Zinc air battery cathode take up relatively less space as air cathode is used. This leads to higher energy density, resulting in zinc air batteries providing more energy for the same size as a conventional battery. Low cost, safety, high energy density, and environmentally friendly characteristics of zinc air batteries make them a considerable choice for future electric vehicle batteries. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to Always. Also press bell icon to get notified.